What's up everyone, it's Blip This here. Today I wanted to review, or actually not even review, but showcase to you this SanDisk Extreme Plus micro SD card, okay? I know this is quite normal. It's such a normal item to buy and really there's not much to review about it. But the whole reason why I wanted to make this video is because I wanted to share with my viewers, especially my Canadian viewers, that Best Buy is currently having it for only $39.99, and with tax comes out to $44.79. All right, it's amazing. I just picked it up. I thought it was a really great deal, and I had to share with everybody here on my channel. And the reason why, actually, if I wouldn't have made this video if there wasn't really something special about it, but I noticed there's something special about this one, and you'll see it's right here. That's the read and write speed. The read speed is 200, the write speed is 140 megabits per second. Now, why is this so special? Well, if you notice right here, I got the Extreme Plus, okay? With SanDisk, they have different levels of speed that you can buy, all right? So from the top would be Professional, then it would be here, the Extreme Plus, and then it would be Extreme, and then it would be Ultra. And the last one would be probably one with no branding on it. And what I noticed when I was shopping for these and comparing, because you know, that's what we do on this tech channel, is that we compare and have the best possible value for your money, right? I noticed one cool thing is that the Extreme Professional, which is the highest, the fastest speed SD card, was actually the same as this one here, 200 and 140. Now, I thought to myself, that's kind of weird. Why would they sell me the lower version, or the second best card they have, with the same speed as Professional, like their best, their top tier? And the funny thing was, their top tier one is more expensive than this one, but the speeds are the same. So I got to researching, and what I found out was they must have updated their card. This must be a brand new version that's coming out, and maybe with the Professional they're gonna go even higher speeds now. But the ones that they're selling in Best Buy right now, this Extreme Plus and the Professional, are at equal standing when it comes to read and write speeds. So obviously I'm going to buy this one, and this is 256 gigabytes for only $40 plus tax. And I thought that's a top deal right now that's at Best Buy, and I wanted to share that with everybody. Anybody who's in the market for this right now, in April 2023, at the end of April 2023 here, run out and grab it, because this is your chance to get something really good. And what was the whole reason for me buying this is because I recently also got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is on my new vlogging camera, and with this one here, you need a really fast card, and I believe the write speed on the card that they recommend you use with this is at least 130 megabits per second. Okay, so I got that covered here. I got 140. Okay, what prompted me to buy this card anyway is because when I record with the DJI Pocket 3, it will say that my SD card that I have in here is too slow. So I have a 1 terabyte one from Lexar, which is this one here. Let's see if you can block my face, and then it can focus. Can it focus? Can this camera focus? There you go. But yeah, I got a 1 terabyte one on here, and this one is apparently too slow. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this 1 terabyte one on my camera that I'm filming myself on right now, and then I will put this one into my Pocket 3. And yeah, so because everything is shot on 4K, I don't know, it just needs a lot more speed, faster speeds, and 256 should be enough when I do vlogs and things like that, and then I will transfer that out into it external when I do my editing. But yeah, That's the whole reason why I bought this thing, and I wanted to share that with you because this whole channel is about getting more bang for your buck. What's the best value? And right now, this is a great value, because if you look on Best Buy website, they also have one that is from Lexar and also from Samsung, and for the same price, about $40, exactly the same price, but the speeds of the other ones are a lot slower. Like where I believe on the Samsung one, it was only like 90 megabytes per second write speed. Write speed is huge. Like I found read speed is great. Like most cards will have very high read speeds, which is normal, but a card with high write speed is not normal. So this is very fast, and yeah, if you need one, go grab it. I really recommend it. Now, I also wanted to talk about like the adapter here. This adapter here is awesome. Like I like to buy the one with the micro and the big SD adapter because it's more versatile, right? Like things like this Pocket 3, for instance, will take a micro, which just uses that one. Whereas the camera that I'm shooting on right now, the Sony ZV-E10, takes a standard SD card. So if I need, for instance, like let's say the Pocket 3 dies while I'm vlogging, then I can start using the this camera, and then I'll just take the memory card out and pop it in this one, and then pop it into that camera. You know, it's a lot more versatile. On top of that, for instance, the reason why I rather buy the one with the adapter version, because they sell this one with just the SD card version, which for some reason is much more expensive if you buy that version. But if you have it with the micro with the adapter, it's cheaper. But anyway, also the reason why I like to buy the version with the adapter is because when I have a dongle like this, you can see on this dongle it has the SD card slot and the micro SD card slot. Sometimes if this adapter somehow fails, which I have like a couple now, and it has happened before, and it doesn't work, then I can just pop out the micro and just put it into the other slot. So it's kind of like insurance on making sure that, you know, you can always be able to card read when it's time to edit. All right, so I like that versatility. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what happens when a SD adapter loses its little tab. What you can do, as you can see here, is that I have a little bit of tape and a piece of paper right there. I just wedged a piece of paper where that tab used to be, and I put a little clear tape on top of it, and it works perfectly. Okay, that way you can save these adapters whenever yours fall out, which very likely it happens a lot. And that plastic is actually not attached to anything internal to this little adapter. You know that? So all it is just something that kind of like acts as a barrier for maybe an internal switch on a camera, so then that when it gets slipped in, you'll just know that something is blocking there, meaning the card is ready to be written on. So just a little tidbit for you guys if you didn't know that, because I just learned that recently. Not to make this video any longer than it needs to be, it's the best SD card that you can get on the market right now, which is a deal at Best Buy. So run out and grab it. I think the sale ends in a week or so. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time where I will probably review the Osmo Pocket 3, also the Sony ZV-E10. Also on top of that, I got a bunch of other gadgets I want to show you here. Just a little sneak preview. Is that I have the Ulanzi tripod. I also have one that's like the tall one that I'm using right now, and I'm gonna be shooting a review for that one. Just a bunch of camera gears that I upgraded so that I can have a better vlogging experience while I travel. So tune in for that. Subscribe, make sure you comment down below. Like this video, it'll really help me to grow, and I'll see you next time. Take care, bye-bye.